Sample problem on slope taping na medyo kabaliktaran to nung sample problem natin previously on slope taping. No? So sa previous na sample problem natin, pinahanap sa atin yung horizontal na distance na d, no? Given na meron tayong na-measure na inclined na distance. Ito naman, basahin lang natin yung sample problem. No? A horizontal distance of 300 meters is to be laid out along a line that slopes at a vertical angle of 12 degrees 30 minutes. Tapos, what should be the slope distance daw? So, pinapahanap sa atin yung slope distance. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ito, parang hindi ito measurement talaga ng isang line, kundi layouting of a certain line na may distance na required, no? So, given that yung kailangan nating i-establish na horizontal distance is 300, then meron tayong given din na angle between the two lines. So, ano daw? CS o yung inclined na distance. So again, kabaliktaran lang siya ng previous na example natin. So gagamitin natin dito is yung cosine relationship. So we have cosine theta, or in this case alpha, no? Cosine alpha equals d over s, but in this case s yung hinahanap natin. So we have s equals d over cosine of alpha. So we have s equals 300 meters divided by cosine of 12 degrees 30 minutes. Again, walang unit yung cosine na, at tapos meters na lang yung matitira. So ibig sabihin yung s, which is in meters, should be equal to 300 divided by cosine of 12 degrees 30 minutes. Oops. Yun, that's 307.28. So 307.28 meters. So mas mahaba siya, no? Longer siya compared sa D. So ganoon naman yan lagi, no? Laging mas mahaba yung inclined na distance compared dun sa horizontal na distance. So ganoon lang, no? I-apply mo lang yung SOHCAHTOA na property, no? In particular yung yung cosine, ka pala, hindi pala ko. SOHCAHTOA pala, no? Yung ka, which is cosine adjacent hypotenuse. So yun yun, so SOHCAHTOA. So meron tayong dito, sine opposite hypotenuse, tapos TOA, which is tangent, opposite, and adjacent. So ito yung ginagamit natin ngayon. Okay?